So we're inside the wound, in the graveyard, in the death zone, where we're not supposed to be, where we should all be to stop any more of this. This is just malice, this is just death. And this is the Bulldozer Poem, again. Bulldozers rend flesh. Bulldozers make devils of good people. Bulldozers are compelled to do as they are told. Bulldozers grimace when they tear the earth's skin. From the earth they came. Bulldozers are made by people who also want new mobile phones to play games on and to feed their families. Bulldozers are observers of phenomena. Decisions are taken out of their hands. They are full of perceptions. They will hear our pleas and struggle against their masters. Bulldozers slice and dice. Bulldozers tenderize. Bulldozers reshape the sand pit, making whirring noises. Kids' motor skills. Bulldozers slice the snake in half so it chases its own tail, right in front of its face. Bulldozers are vigorous percussionists, sounding the snap and boom of hollows caving in. Feathers of the cockatoos a whisper in the roar. Bulldozers deny the existence of ether, though they know deep down in their pistons, deep in their levers, that all is spheres and heavens, and voices of ancestors worry at their peace. Bulldozers recognise final causes and embrace outcomes that put them out of work. There's always more scrub to delete, surely. Surely. O continuous tractor, O S&U blades, each to his orders, his skill set. Communal as D9 dozers whose buckets uplift the asteroids waiting to be quarried. O bulldozer, your history. O those halt tractors working the paddocks. O the first slow tanks crushing the battlefield. The interconnectedness of being. Philosopher, O you makers, Cummings and Caterpillar. O great cat we grew up in their thrall, whether we knew it or not, playing sports with the woodlands grew. For you rode in after the great trees had been removed. You innovate and flatten. You must know your worldliness, working with companies to make a world of endless horizon. It's a team effort, excoriating an ecosystem. Not even you can tackle an old growth tall tree alone. We know your power, your pedigree, your sheer bloody mindedness. Sorry, forgive us. We should keep this civil, O dozer. In you as a cosmology, we have yelled the names of bandicoots and possums, of kangaroos and echidnas, of honey-eaters, and the day-sleeping tawny frogmouth you kill in its silence. And now we stand before you, supplicant and yet resistant, asking you to hear us over your war cry, over your work ethic being played for all it's worth. Hear us, hear me. Don't laugh at our pathos. Take us seriously. Forgive our inarticulateness, our scrabbling for words as you crush us, the world as we know it, the hands that fed you, that made you. Listen not to those officials who have taken advantage of their position, who have turned their offices to hate the world and smile, kissing the tiny hands of babies that you can barely hear as your engines roar with power. But don't you see the exquisite colour of the world, bulldozer? Green is your irritant. We understand, bulldozer, we do. It's fear that compels you, rippling through eternity, embracing the inorganics of modernity. And this is it. This is it. When you're in your lounge room, sitting down watching the telly, or sitting on your computer at home, or whatever you're doing, having your leisure time, this is what's being done. Hell unleashed. It's spiteful, it's malicious, it's unnecessary. This